Are you looking for the best 3-axis gimbal drone? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3-axis gimbal drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Potensic Atom 3-axis drone. The Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone is a lightweight foldable drone weighing under 249 g, designed for beginners and hobbyists who want smooth aerial footage without spending too much. It offers up to 32 minutes of flight time per battery, not 96 minutes as some misleading listings suggest, with a maximum 6 km transmission range powered by PicSync 3.0 technology. The camera supports 4K per 30 frames per second video and 12 MP stills, stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for steady shots, and includes quickshots modes like pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, along with GPS-based visual tracking and return to home. While it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors and uses a fixed focus lens, it delivers reliable performance in calm to moderate winds, up to level 5, and is portable enough for travel or casual aerial videography. Overall, it's a solid choice for adults and beginners looking for an affordable, feature-rich drone, but not meant for professional cinematography or obstacle-heavy environments. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720R. The Holy Stone HS720R is a foldable GPS drone designed for adults and hobbyists, equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and electronic image stabilization (EIS), to deliver smooth and stable 4K per 30 frames per second video using a Sony sensor with a wide 140 degrees field of view. It supports smart features like Follow Me, Auto Return to Home, Waypoint Flight, Point of Interest, and time-lapse shooting, making it versatile for aerial photography. The drone offers up to 26 minutes of flight time per battery, with a maximum control and video transmission range of about 3 km, almost equals 10,000 feet, in open areas, powered by efficient brushless motors for reliable performance. While its 389 g weight means it may require registration in many regions and the long 5-hour battery charging time can be inconvenient, it remains a strong mid-range option for users who want stable video, extended range, and intelligent flight modes without moving into the premium price tier of professional drones. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720G. The Holy Stone HS720G is a foldable GPS drone for adults and beginners that combines a 4K camera mounted on a 2-axis gimbal with EIS and a wide 120 degrees field of view to capture stable aerial footage, while built-in remote ID ensures regulatory compliance. It features brushless motors and a modular battery, 7.7V, 2950 mAh, for around 26 minutes of flight time per charge, and is stable in flight thanks to GPS, optical flow, and smart positioning. The FPV video feed runs over 5 GHz Wi-Fi with a live view range of roughly 500 m, 640 feet, and remote control is rated at up to 999 m. The HS720G offers safety and convenience features such as smart return to home, follow me, tap fly, point of interest flights, altitude hold, and emergency stop, although its 377 g weight means it may fall outside ultralight drone exemptions, and charging the battery fully can take around 5 hours. Number 4. Ruko F11 PRO Drone. The Ruko F11 PRO 2 is a professional-grade GPS drone designed for beginners and hobbyists, featuring a 6K photo camera and 4K per 30 frames per second video recording stabilized by a 3-axis brushless gimbal for smooth, high-quality footage. It includes 2 batteries, each offering up to 35 minutes of flight time, giving a combined total of around 70 minutes under ideal conditions, while its 10,000 feet, almost equals 3 km, FPV transmission range ensures strong connectivity in open areas. The drone supports intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Smart Return to Home, and Beginner Mode, making it easy to fly safely and capture creative shots. Although it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors and real-world battery life is usually shorter than advertised, the F11 PRO 2 still stands out as a capable mid-range drone with excellent flight time, long-range transmission, and advanced stability for its price. Number 5. Ruko U11 Mini 4K Drone. The Ruko U11 Mini 4K is a lightweight foldable GPS drone for adults and beginners, weighing under 249 g for easy portability and minimal regulatory requirements. It features a 4K video camera and 8K photo capability on a 3-axis gimbal with stabilization, supported by optical flow and TOF sensors for smoother flight. The drone includes smart functions such as AI-assisted takeoff and landing, auto return to home, waypoint, POI missions, follow me mode, and GPS with a built-in beeper for location tracking. Each battery provides around 30 to 35 minutes of flight time, and with 2 batteries included, users can achieve roughly 70 minutes of combined flight, although advertised 96 minutes is overstated. Its FPV transmission control range is about 3 kilometers, almost equals 10,000 feet, under ideal conditions, making it suitable for long-range recreational flights, while brushless motors and GPS stability ensure reliable performance for beginners and casual aerial photographers.